Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, for today's video, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano magkakaroon ng laman ang ating Gcash for free. Okay? No need invite. Just only free. Kailangan meron ka lang ng Globe Rewards and Gcash. Yan lang. Sa Gcash, open muna natin. Gcash, I only have 52 pesos. Okay? So now, open natin si Globe Rewards. Si Globe Rewards, meron silang promo dito na What's Hot. View all natin. Ayan. Mayroon silang redeem for Gcash. Ayan, sa Rola. And more. Okay? So, dito tayo sa Gcash Rewards. Sa Gcash Rewards, dapat meron kang 20 points above. Kasi makakakuha tayo ng kada 20 points, you have 20 pesos. And 30 points, you have 30 pesos. 50 points, you have 50 pesos. So, I have 21 points in my Gcash reward, in my Globe reward. Ito yung mga points na nakukuha natin kapag nagpapaload tayo. So, I have 21 points. I-click natin to. Nakalagay dito, get 20 pesos Gcash for 20 points. Ibig sabihin, kada piso, kada 1 point is equivalent to 1 peso. Okay? Get more Gcash from July 24 to 26. So, no 24 and 26 pa to. Not available for gifting. Okay? So, let's see kung makakuha pa rin tayo. Ayan. I-click lang natin itong redeem. Ayan. Message from 4438. Okay. Ayun. So, na-receive na akong message. Thank you for using Globe Rewards. Receive your 20 Gcash within 3 days in your application. So, within 3 days pa. So, update ko kayo ulit after 3 days kung papasok nga ito.
Day 2, Day 3.
Okay guys, today is Monday. And after 3 days, ay may nakareceive ako ng message. Now, ito po ang aking message na na-receive from Gcash. You just received 20 pesos from Globe Rewards. Ayan, yung proof na dumating at legit. Naka-receive ako ng 20 pesos and I will check to my Gcash kung pumasok nga ang 20 pesos. Okay, naging 72.53 pesos na po siya. At legit na nakapasok ang 20 pesos. So, ganun lang po. No need to invite. And after 3 days, marireceive nyo ang points from Globe Rewards to Gcash. Okay? So, ayun lang po. And please give me a thumbs up, comment, and share to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.